Amber and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. This is a super quick and simple tutorial, and I've done similar projects like this on my channel before, but I just fell in love with this paper and I wanted to make something with it. So I love working with mini composition books. They're so much fun and it's so simple to make them into your very own cute little journal where they're lined inside and out, and we're gonna decorate the inside. Here's my other one. So these are the two that I made, and they're gonna go with a 3 journal set. So we're gonna make the third one here on video. I'm gonna take you step by step how to cover it the easiest possible way. It is so simple and you're gonna love it. So I just get these 3 packs at the Dollar Tree. So the ones I'm using in today's video are from the Dollar Tree. So those ones have 50 pages, and I actually discovered the ones at Walmart not too long ago, and I absolutely love these because these have 80 pages. They're a little thicker, and so these can be made the exact same way. They're the same dimensions for the paper and everything. Here's the Walmart ones. They're really cute. So these are so inexpensive, and you can make them into a cute little journal set so easily. I'm calling this the Cottage journal set because the paper I used looks just like wallpaper in a cute little cottage. I absolutely love it. So I'm using Marigold by Maggie Holmes, and this paper collection is absolutely beautiful. I mean, just look at the prints here on this first page, and then you saw the ones I chose for those first 2, and this is so eclectic and beautiful. You can use it all throughout the year because it looks good for spring, summer, fall. It is just so pretty. Look at this one. This looks like wallpaper too. I think these prints are just absolutely gorgeous. There's cut aparts in here. So anyway, I'm gonna just do a quick little flip. I hadn't broken into this one yet. This is a perfect project for single-sided paper, which is what you get in these paper pads. So this is the sticker sheet that comes with the collection, and there is these 3 labels right here, and that's what inspired me to make this. So to cover one of these little mini composition books, you're gonna need 2 pieces that measure 4.5 by 5 3/4. You need 2 pieces. So if you have a paper that has a certain direction, mine doesn't, mine can really go either way, but just make sure you're gonna put this in at the 4.5 inch mark, and make sure the top of your paper is at the right and the bottom is at the left. So then you're gonna make your 4.5 inch cut, and then cut 2 pieces into 5 3/4. So there's 1 and 2, and you'll always have this little tiny scrap right here left. Okay, so this is all you're gonna need to cover one of these. So what I use to cover this is my favorite adhesive, and it's the Scor Tape. So whatever size Scor Tape you have, or you can use roller adhesive. I just think this is really strong, especially around the edges. If you have really strong adhesive, I would recommend using that around the edges at least. And then you can fill the middle in with any type of glue you have. So I'm just gonna get these right on the border of that notebook, and see how easy it is? This Scor Tape, you just place it down and then it rips off really easily. And I'll put one down the middle. So here's what it looks like after I've covered it with my Scor Tape. And then with Scor Tape, you really want to press that down with your bone folder so all that glue gets into the surface of the notebook. And then just release the backing. Okay, so now I'm going to take my paper, and again, it's 4.5 by 5 3/4. And what I do to make sure this is lined up straight is I line it up by that black vinyl edge and the bottom, and then that way you know those 2 sides are lined up and the top will follow. Just make sure you're lined up all along the side, and then you can just kind of let go and lay this down. So this is gonna be so cute. It already looks so pretty. I love this like cottagey blue print. And then you take your bone folder. Don't get this edge yet because you don't wanna like rip the paper, but get really good on the edges here, top and bottom. And then this is what you have so far. So then you're gonna open that front cover and here's what it looks like. So what I like to do is just take my bone folder and lightly press to give it a little start where it's gonna crease, and gently go ahead and fold this over to where the paper is pretty snug against that edge. Don't rip your paper though. And then just gently with your finger, crease it down. Give it a good crease there. And just be careful that this edge right here of the paper does not crack. You want to be really gentle. So then all you need to do is add adhesive. I add it to the paper because see how it doesn't reach all the way quite to the edge here? Because that way there's a little gap here and it doesn't obstruct the notebook to close. So what I like to do is just take my Scor Tape, runner and just kind of fill in the rest. But because we have those edges, we're good to go. Okay, so here's that inside cover, and we already folded it, so it's already formed, and now you can just line it up with that top right here and lay it down and then press it down to cover the inside. Then I'm going to take my bone folder and get all the edges really well. Got the front cover all done now. So the last thing to do is take a corner rounder, and I have this one to show you that you can use any corner rounder. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and this composition book is naturally rounded right here. So all we're going to do is take the cover, and now that is all rounded and it matches up with the pages. So easy, so satisfying when you get to do this part. So now we've got rounded corners there and there. Wasn't that so simple? Now you literally just do the exact same thing for the back cover. Got it all covered. Here's the front and the inside, and then here's the back. So now you can really decorate this however you want, but again, I wanted to keep it simple, and that sticker sheet really had inspired me. So I'm going to take that last label sticker right off of there, and instead of just sticking it down, I like to add a little extra adhesive so it stays permanent. So with these, I kind of centered it in the actual center of the book, including the black vinyl part. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to kind of look at this as a guide and line it up as straight as possible. And didn't that turn out super cute? It looks like a cute little antique journal. I love it. So here is my little Cottage journal bundle. I think it's so cute. It takes no time at all. The possibilities are endless with all the paper we have out there and the stickers, and you can get these so cheap, and they do turn into something really special. I think it would be fun to decorate a couple of the pages. to be stickers from the collection. They can be anything you want to decorate it with. You could do little fabric tabs or anything. So I just put a few stickers in there, and I think it looks really cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was so easy, and I hope that you'll head over to Dollar Tree or Walmart, grab some of these cute little composition books, and alter them up. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!